In this video, I will show you how to create a Discord account. Let's get started. First, download and open the Discord app on your phone. On the welcome screen, you'll see two options, Register and Log In. Since you don't have an account yet, tap Register. Next, you'll see two sign-up options, Phone and Email. You can choose either option based on your preference. For this tutorial, I'll use the email option. Tap Email, enter your email address, and then tap Next. On the display name screen, enter the name you want to use, then tap Next. Next, create a username, set a strong password, and tap Next.
Next, enter your date of birth. Check the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then tap Create.
Complete the verification process if prompted. After that, Discord may ask you to customize your profile by adding a profile picture or finding friends. You can complete these steps or skip them for now. Once you're signed in, your Discord account will be ready to use. You can start joining servers, chatting with friends, and exploring communities. That's it. You've successfully created a Discord account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.